Hello. Welcome back to my new Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to create a text-through video effect. But first make sure to subscribe my channel. Okay, let's see what we are going to do. Okay, here we are in Premiere Pro. Now first import a video, what you want. You can also download this video from the description below. Now right-click, and select New Sequence from Clip. Now click on this new item button, and select Black Video. Make these settings to default. Hit OK. Now drag this video to the timeline, and stretch this to the end of clip. Now go to File, New, and select Legacy Title. You can also leave this setting default. I am naming this as text, and hit OK. Now type the text, what you want to see on your video. For example, I am typing text. I am using AR750 font. Now change the size of text. Now close the title. And drag this to the timeline. And also stretch this to the end of clips. Now, it's time to apply effects. Go to Effects tab, and search for Track Matte key. Now drag this effect, and drop it on the black video. Here you can see the track matte is applied. Now change the matte to video 3, and also check the reverse box. And we are done. To create smoothness, I am pressing Enter from keyboard, to render the clip. There is the last step. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. If this video really make you happy, so give a thumbs up to his video. And for more Premiere Pro tutorials, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video.